Are you familiar with push notifications? They're a way to send alerts to your users just like SMS messages. Let's explore how Vivaldi helps you send push notifications easily. Normally, when you click a short link, it takes you straight to the long URL, but with a push link, a landing page appears before the redirect. This page asks for the user's permission to receive notifications. That's because user consent is required to send push notifications. Now let's check the push link option for the link we created. Then we'll visit the link again to see what happens. As explained earlier, enabling the push link option shows a landing page before redirecting to the long URL. A pop-up asks for notification permission, and if the user allows it, you can send alerts to all who opted in. Regardless of their choice, users are still redirected to the original long URL. If the user has already granted permission, the short URL redirects straight to the long URL. No pop-up is shown, but if permission hasn't been given yet, the landing page appears again. The pop-up will ask for notification access once more. You'll see a list showing when each user granted notification permission. Each entry in the list represents one user. You can send notifications right away or schedule them for a specific time. We recommend sending them during peak hours when people are most active on their phones. The URL shown on the screen is where users will be redirected when they click the notification. By default, it's the URL set in your organization settings. You can include an image with your notification message. This image will be displayed to the user when they receive the alert. However, images don't appear on MacBooks or iPhones. To send push notifications, you need to add credit to your account in advance. Each notification costs 10 Korean won. The notification has been sent. What you're seeing now is how it appears on a MacBook. Now let's check how the notification looks on an Android phone. On Windows desktops and Android phones, notifications are displayed with the image. When you click the notification, it takes you to the Google website. That's because the redirect URL was set to Google when the notification was sent. You've seen how users are taken to a landing page to allow notification permissions. With Vivaldi, you can customize that page using a template feature. Add your own text and images to create a personalized experience for users. To add a credit for sending notifications, click the Add Funds button at the top of the page. The cost of each notification will be deducted from your available balance. By adding Vivaldi's JavaScript SDK to your website, you can show the notification permission pop-up directly on your own site. The permission data is still stored securely on Vivaldi's servers, and notifications are sent from the Vivaldi dashboard. The key benefit? You don't need users to click a short URL. Just visiting your site is enough to collect notification data. Try Vivaldi now.